fluid will go the easiest possible route, and it's down.
What can we do about that? Use compression garments.
What the garments are doing, it's helping those muscles pump that fluid back up.
Compression garments do good work, but no one really wants to have to wear them.
I don't like them, but I wear them. I put up with them, actually.
It is noticeable, but it's just become... In fact, if I don't have it on, I miss it, because I've become so used to wearing it.
I look a bit like a mummy in it, an Egyptian mummy I mean, because it goes round the neck and down the back, and I wear it at night.
It's always nice to get them off in the evenings, mind.
I look like a demented hamster.
Garments reduce swelling and provide support. That can reduce aching and heaviness. The key thing is to get the right garment for your swelling. Most important is the fit. If you're not happy, there's no point suffering in silence. If it doesn't feel right, make an appointment and get it checked.
So Gaynor, I haven't seen you for a little while.
No.
Tell me what's been happening.
I've tried these new sleeves on.
Right.
Because last time I was measured, they said, as you know, I'm into gauntlets now.
Yeah.
And they've tried these new ones. They are very tight, and as you know, I've got arthritis in my joint. And I'm finding it's pulling my finger over like that. It is much, much tighter and harder to put on than the older one.
Gaynor's always had a puffy hand, always had it. But what you find is sometimes if the garment is too tight at the wrist, then it actually creates so much pressure around the wrist that it pushes it back down the hand. So in fact, it's worse. Taking the sleeve off, then putting it back on can help. But the other thing that we need to do is some specific massage to try and relieve that.
All sorts of things can affect how well compression garments fit. Your weight can go up or down. The size of the affected limb can change. The important thing is not to wear garments that aren't prescribed for you. Check regularly that they're doing what they're supposed to. Badly fitting garments can make things worse.
So we don't want that, because what that actually does is tourniquet. So what happens is it squeezes, and then the fluid has got, the only place it can go is that way. Right. These are not so bad, but even those leave a little indentation, and that's quite loose. So what we want is compression garments for you, probably to here, maybe a little bit higher, okay? But we'll have a look. What I'm going to do is I'll fill your history in. I'll ask you a little bit about your medication, because that can have an impact, because some medications, side effect is swelling.
So because Gaynor's fingers swell, she has to wear a glove covering her hand. Because you've had lymphedema for years and years, the tissues change. When you first have swelling, the actual fluid is soft, okay? And also it's like water. As the years go by, that watery lymphedema, that watery edema, becomes a bit more thickened. Right. And I usually say it's a bit like custard. As time goes on again, then it becomes firmer. And something that I would recommend you to do is actually putting cream on and getting in and trying to massage that swelling to make it soft again.
The ones I'll show you are thick and they sit on the legs, so they don't cut in as much. So they feel more like a sock.
Yeah, see, because look at my legs, fat, horrible legs.
Yeah. No, your legs are, you've had your legs for a long time. They've done a good job looking after you.
A very long time.
So yeah, I think they just need a little bit more care and attention with a bit of help from, because you can't do it as much now.
I'd never be a dancer, but I would be a sumo wrestler with my legs.
No, we'll have you dancing. Now, putting them on and off.
You know, this is my problem because
Yes.
I got no movement hardly in my knees.
Getting compression garments on and off can be tricky.
They're very difficult to get on and off, very difficult. I'm lucky I got a good husband.
That's why I found it so difficult. I wasn't used to doing it on my own. But when I was told by my friends then, well, I can do it and I can do it, and I used to think, well, I got to do it then. And eventually I mastered it. Nah, I can do it now, no bother.
Getting them off tends to be the easy bit.
Show me how would you pull your garment off for me. Lovely. So the difference with gainer's sleeve to the lady before is that gainer's got fingers.
Getting them on is definitely the harder part, but the whole system is designed so that you can do it on your own.
And then I go right round as far as I can. But I normally hold on to a unit on the side and do that. That's so I can get in there.
And there we are.
And that's great. Now that feels comfortable.
There are all sorts of gadgets available that'll help you get your garment on.
It felt easier.
And then it literally slides out.
If it's proving too tricky, you must ask.
There is a knack, but once you've got it, it's easy.
One thing you might find when you start wearing a compression garment is being asked what's wrong. Some people find it helps to have an answer ready.
I've basically got no plumbing. Because rather than go through the whole process, I've had a mastectomy, I've had my glands removed, I've had an operation and I got no plumbing, so the fluid just builds up in my hand and I've got to wear a sleeve just to keep it in control. And they accept that then, so you get used to it.
Gaynor, your job was a nurse
Yes.
in the hospital. How did lymphedema and wearing your sleeve affect you in your job?
Well, it's had funny moments. Because there was this one porter, I'd been there for donkey's years, as you know, and he came up one day and I was waiting for a patient and he said, "Do you know I didn't know you had an artificial hand?" And I said, "I haven't." And he looked again, oh, I thought it was artificial. And I said, I just burst out laughing.
So he thought
It was
your hand was artificial because you had a glove on.
Yeah.
If you do feel a bit self-conscious, you might want to think about hiding your garment in plain sight.
One solution which a lot of other patients have found benefit in is changing the colours. So you can have this pinks, turquoises, and that's the traditional colour. So I think even if you had one in that colour, that would look like as if you've just got a fashion glove on. Yeah. So let's try it.
We'll try that one.
Now the other thing it's got, you can have dots, stars, zigzags, or that one, which is my favourite, and it says live, love, laugh.
Yes, we'll go for that.
So we'll do a live, love, laugh. So we're going to go
Let's go for it.
Let's go for it.
A garment should last a minimum of 6 to 9 months, and they're all washable. There are also new kinds like wraps and compression for other areas, such as breast edema and genital swelling. So whatever kind and wherever you wear it, Frida's is probably the best advice.
Wear your sleeve. Keep wearing your sleeve. Don't not put your sleeve on. It's part of you. And you'd be surprised once you start wearing it, you'd be surprised how many people you see with a sleeve and think, oh, they got lymphedema too. They've got it too, you know. And there are thousands out there.